opened around 427.45. And what we mentioned, if you see our previous presentation, you can see that this 426 is going to be, we have mentioned many times why this 426 is a very important zone in copper market, and this zone is a judgment zone, that is a decision zone for copper market. Let us see what happened in the last week, and we will go through this presentation very fast, because we want to cover all the 5 days in the last week. Let us see what happened. You can very well see that this 426, the market took the support on Monday around 426, and then it again took the support here at 426. Then it went higher and closed around 427.5. The next day also the market opened higher, so we thought the copper will also be in buy trend on Tuesday also. And you can very well see that on Tuesday it reached the first target of 432, near the first target of 432, and again it broke this target and went higher till this 433 and closed here, and closed near 432. Then next day also copper opened around 432 on Wednesday, and you can see that still this, you just follow this 426. Why we mentioned this 426 is going to be a major support zone for copper. You can very well notice that the market tried to hit this 426 many times, that is on Thursday also. You can see this two dotted vertical lines, which indicates the next day. You can see that again on Thursday the market tried to hit this 426, tested again the 426 level, and it went higher and broke this 432 and closed higher. The next day also on Friday the market opened above 432. It stayed here and made and hit our second target of 436, and then it went much higher than that and it reached 438. And in the later session the market dropped and closed around 432, and on Saturday also the market stayed around 432. So on seeing the past week, complete past week, we can notice that the market tried to break this 426 level, and this 426 gave a very good support for copper market. And what we can do for this week is that we are going to target this 426 levels. We are going to keep our eye on this 426 levels, so that since we are expecting copper to open around 431.5 to 431, this is the zone where we are expecting copper market to open around 431 and 432. We want to note what is going to happen around 426 for this week, because again we are going to take this 426 level as a major zone for copper, and we are going to proceed keeping this as a reference for copper trading. So what we are trying to do is that again we are expecting copper to stay in the buy trend till this 426 holds good for copper. So what we are going to do is that it is very clear that we are going to maintain this 426 as a reference level, and we are going to buy till this zone having 425 as a stop loss. And unless until the market closed below this 426, we cannot say that copper can come down. Till then we are expecting copper to move higher from this 432 till 436 is the first target, and 442 can be the second target for copper. This 442 we are expecting copper to reach 442 for this week. If the price is staying above 426, it can very easily, copper market can go and reach the target of 442. And also today we don't have much major news to impact copper market, so purely that it is going to be a technical move in copper. So kindly watch this 426 level very carefully, and let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Happy trading, and thanks for watching your video. Take care. Bye.